Guys, let's be realistic, and I want us to calculate together, because I want you to start earning money with your smartphone like what I do. So because I want you to start earning money, this is a quick one. This video is going to be short, and we're talking about earning money with your smartphone. When you're talking about with your smartphone, I mean with Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, anyways. But now in particular, I'm going to give you a sample space of YouTube. Now with YouTube, I'm going to get for you one of the video that is very recent, like 1-2 days video. Let me get for you 1-2 days video that has been paid. Then we calculate together and see if really you decide and say, I want to make money with my smartphone, how much you might homesomely, or how much you might be sweeping with your smartphone on a daily basis if you're serious and you take it as your serious passive income venture. So I'm going to be showing you this video. I want you to go to my YouTube channel. It is how to make money online. It was very recent. This is its first payment. You know, every day it was uploaded on October, but the first payment, of course, it gets it on 19th, coming to 20th, 19th night. So as I'm showing you, it is its first payment, and they paid it at 96 views. At 96 views it was paid. So, but meanwhile, good morning, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. It is a quick video because I want to be stationed and know that really what you're dealing with or what I'm teaching you is workable. This is the video I'm talking about. I don't know whether you'll see it. It will be upside down, but I'm going to put for you a screenshot. So if you go to, it is like third video down, because every day I put a video. Every day, every after like 8 hours, 10 to 12 hours, I put a video. So you're going to see this video. But don't forget, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial consultant, not a financial guru. I'm not trained to come and teach you how to make money or what, but I'm giving you the 10% such that you get your 90%. If it works for you, it's okay. So calculate with me. I uploaded this video on 18th, and 19th night, that is 20th, yesterday, it was paid $1.78, and they paid $1.78 at 96 views, but the video has gone up to 100 and something views. So as you watch this video, it means every day the video will be increasing money. So if you see, I can get 1.78. That's why I got for you the recent video, 1.78, and I'm a kind of a lady. My views, you know them. My views are either 10, 20, 100, 200, 1k, just there. But I believe you guys, if you see this, my energy should show off by you going and start watching these videos and you make it move. So it was paid 1.78, the first payment. What do you think by the time it reaches 1k? By the time it reaches 1,000, it will be paid $18. $18. Imagine 1k or $18. So now what about if you have 1 million? It means it will be in millions also. So what does this teach you? What you need to do, put evergreen content, because like videos, my videos always on a daily basis, whether 2 views increase by 1, by 2, it will be paid. So let me break it down for you, because most of you ask yourselves how, why, and what brings payment. Estimated revenue is 1.78 for the first payment, and it is all coming from watch page ads. There is no affiliate marketing, there is no brand sponsorship, there is no pegs, no, there is no membership. And it is showing you that revenue per 1k is 18.53. So meaning if you put in this 18.53, that's why it gave me 1.74, 96 views. So as it reaches 200, of course it will be $2.3. That shows you that by 1,000 views, by 1 million views, this video will just pay school fees for my future kids. And can I show you how much advertisers paid this video? They paid it 44.93. To me, it's not just a miracle, because my videos are always ranging 44.93. Even the highest was 140 something, 20 something, 30 something. This is why I want you to know what pays most. It's not every content that pays, but what pays you most. Especially, you see how much advertisers paid or advertisers pay. My type of content, like this video, they paid 44. But you'll find someone, you have 1,000 views, but you are with $1, meaning that what advertisers pay is less, which affects your RPM, which is revenue per 1K views. I don't know whether you understand me. I don't know really. If you don't understand what I'm saying, put it in the comment section. And what else can I show you? Let's go to audience. I had only 72 views, which are unique. Engagement was a bit okay, 5.7 watch hours, and audience retention was 2.4, meaning people, if we go on overview, people were watching up to 3 minutes, which is okay. Then how this video was found, it was YouTube recommendation. This is what we all want. YouTube search, this is excellent. Channel pages and direct unknown. So what do you think? Can you do it?